Hey guys, it's Josh Husted from MotorWorld Lexus. I am the technology specialist, and today I'm going to be showing you how to pair your phone to Bluetooth to your RX 350. Let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you want to do, guys, is start your engine. So we'll do that now. And I'm going to go up to the screen here and I'm going to show you guys exactly what to do. So I'm going to let this load up real quick. Hit continue, and then we're going to come down here and hit our menu button right here, and then this will pull up your menu screen. So let this focus. We're going to go to setup, then we're going to go over to Bluetooth. Would you like to add a new device? Yes. And now I'm going to show you what to do from your iPhone. Alright guys, so now I'm on my iPhone, and now you're going to want to find your settings. You might have to scroll left or right to find that, but you see the settings there, click on it, and then you're going to see Bluetooth there on your list, and then you're going to want to click that one, and then you're going to wait for the Lexus RX to show up at the bottom for other devices. See how it says hands-free and then it switches to RX? You're going to want to click that, and then you're going to wait for it to pair. Verify that that code is correct there, that's on your screen, then hit pair. Allow your contacts and favorites to sync as well, so you can pull up your contacts and everything. And then you're going to hit the blue eye and then go to show notifications as shown there. And then you're all set. Again, my name is Josh from MotorWorld Lexus, and I am the technology specialist. And thank you for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed.